Hello, 7th graders. Today, what you are going to do is continue your dimensional analysis by looking at a story problem which asks you to do the same types of conversions that it has been asked before, except these are not necessarily English measurements or metric measurements or English to metric. It's not going to be the conversion numbers that you need to know. All of the numbers that you need to convert are going to be in the problem. Many of you are going to look at it and say, oh, I can do that without setting up your dimensional analysis, without setting up your fractions and your multiplication. I would really like for you to try to set every problem up with a dimensional analysis. If you get stuck on one, can't get the dimensional analysis set up, but you can calculate the answer, show on your paper how you calculate the answer, and then we'll talk about how to set up the dimensional analysis. As an example, I have done number 12 on your worksheet on this Pages document for you so that you can see it. I also posted this Pages document to Moodle as well as this video. So you're throwing a pizza party, 15 people, each person's going to eat 4 slices. You call the pizza place and learn that each pizza will cost $14.78 and they're going to cut it into 12 pieces. How much is the pizza going to cost you? You have $70. Will that be enough money? So first, you need to figure out how many pizzas you're going to order. Using the conversion rates, remember you always start with what you have. So I put in here that I know from the very beginning that I have 15 people coming. Okay, I don't want to know how many people are coming, so I'm going to put people on the bottom. What do I have in the problem that deals with people? And it is this message right here that says I have 4 slices for every one person. Okay, so then the people are gone and I now have slices. I don't want slices, so I put slices on the bottom. What can I convert slices to? Well, I know that there are 12 slices in one large pizza. So my conversion looks something like this when I get it set up. In step number 2 here, I have gone through and crossed out your people, slices, slices, seeing that you are left with only the label of large. So that if I can calculate this, it will tell me how many larges I need. So I multiply straight across the top, I get 60 larges. I multiply across the bottom, I get 12. 60 divided by 12 gives me the fact that I need 5 larges. Okay, so now that I know that I have 5 larges, I can figure out how much pizza is going to cost me. 5 larges, $14.78 per large. When you do that multiplication, now we're out of the conversion factor because I'm not converting, I'm just calculating the cost, $73.90. Since you only have $70, no, you don't have enough money. Again, I understand that you could calculate this a different way. This is just trying to put into practice what we've been working on with our dimensional analysis. And if you run into a problem that you couldn't do a different way, this would allow you a method where you are canceling your labels to try to get you to what you need. Couple of reminders before I turn you loose to work. Always start with what you have. And that's not what you're going to want, so that label will go on the bottom. And then figure out from there what you have in the problem that lets you convert from what you know you're trying to get rid of into something new. Okay, I'd like you to give the rest of the problems on that worksheet a shot, starting on number 11 and finishing on 17. Some will be easier than others. Again, starting on 11, going through 17, try them. Number 12 obviously is done. Hopefully you will write that on this one on your paper or already have. And good luck.